If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If a customer wants a return or refund in the form of a check, cash, or credit card, you can create a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online instead of a credit memo. Unlike a credit memo, which is applied to the customer's open balance or to future invoices, the refund receipt is used to give the customer cash, a check, or a credit card refund instead of a credit to their open balance or a credit to future invoices. To create a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar and select the refund receipt link under the customer's heading in the menu to open the refund receipt window. First, select a customer from the customer dropdown. Their email appears in the email field to the right if one was entered, and the rest of the fields populate with the customer's information. To add CC or BCC emails if needed, click the CC/BCC link by the email field, enter the addresses into the menu that appears, and then click the Done button in the menu. Select the refund receipt's date from the Refund Receipt Date field. The refund receipt's number appears in the Refund Receipt Number field, and you can change it if you enabled custom transaction numbers in your company file settings. If classes are assigned per transaction or locations are enabled, you can use the class and location dropdowns at the right side of this form to select your desired choices. Then select the payment method to use to process the refund from the Payment Method dropdown. If you select credit card and process payments in QuickBooks Payments, you can enter the credit card information to process the refund. If processing a refund by cash or by check, then select the account from which to withdraw the funds for the refund from the Refund From dropdown. You must select an account from which to process the refund, even if returning cash to the customer. If processing a refund by check, a check number field appears after selecting an account from which to process the refund. To print the check later, check the Print Later checkbox below this field. Otherwise, enter the check number to assign to the refund into the Check Number field. To print a check if you issue a refund by check, click the Print Check link that appears when you click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar at the bottom of the page. Next, select the products or services being refunded from the Product Service columns dropdown, or create a new refund product or service if needed by using the Add New choice in the Product Service column. After making your selections in the Product Service column, ensure the refund amount is correct. If processing the refund by check, click the Print or Preview button and then click the Print Check link to save the refund receipt and print the check. Processing by credit card refunds the transaction amount to the customer's credit card, either immediately or during your batch processing, depending on how you have your credit card system set up. If returning the refund using cash or after completing the other options, click or select a Save choice using the Save buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.